Hello, this is Barefoot Roots, and I'm just watering the plants.
Today we finally have a nice day, and we brought all of our little plants outside so they could get some sun. We are seeing some growth with our cucumbers and our tomatoes so far.
Where's the cucumbers? Let's go
But
get them.
it's a beautiful day. We set the plants on stuff because we're gonna have to take them back in tonight because it's still getting too cool at night. She is trying to give each of the plants a little bit of water. I mean, it's not real hot here, so it's not going to affect them, but a thing to remember, do not ever water your plants when it's real hot during the day. Always wait till late evening, and remember, don't be afraid to get dirty.
Smash that like button
And subscribe.